Sylvan Lake RV. My name is Nicole Hollinati, and today I'm here to show you the 2005 Forest River Georgetown. Sitting on a Ford chassis and powered by a V10 Triton engine, this 2005 Georgetown also features a backup camera, making it easier to negotiate into those tighter camping spots. And for convenience on the road, the automatic steps, hydraulic leveling jacks, and lockable cargo doors make your life easier and much more comfortable. To see what other comforts the Georgetown provides, let's head inside and take a look. In the bedroom area, the large amounts of storage, bedroom television, and vanity mirror give you the comforts of home, with a bedroom slide assisting with that extra floor space. And in the bathroom, the spacious shower with built-in shelving will help you stay organized and comfortable. And when you're entertaining guests or relaxing indoors, the living area has everything you need, with an above-cab entertainment system, booth-style dinette, hide-to-bed sofa, flip-up desk area, and a kitchen with endless amounts of storage. Priced to sell, the 2005 Forest River Georgetown won't last. Call Sylvan Lake RV today at 403-887-0911.